Welcome, my friends, to a land steeped in history and brimming with life, Uzbekistan. A country nestled in the heart of Central Asia, Uzbekistan is a tapestry woven from ancient trade routes, vibrant cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. Join us as we journey through this remarkable land, uncovering the secrets and stories hidden within its borders. Get ready to uncover some mind-blowing facts about this incredible country, from its architectural marvels to its unique culinary delights. And along the way, we'll also meet some of the beautiful and talented women of Uzbekistan, who contribute so much to the rich fabric of this nation. Our story begins centuries ago along the legendary Silk Road, the very artery through which flowed not just silk, but spices, ideas, and civilizations. This ancient network of trade routes connected the East and West, stretching from China to the Mediterranean Sea and beyond. It was a conduit for not only goods but also for the exchange of knowledge, culture, and technology. Uzbekistan, you see, wasn't merely a dot on this ancient map, it was a bustling crossroads. It was a place where merchants from different corners of the world met, traded, and shared their stories. The markets were alive with the sounds of haggling, the scents of exotic spices, and the vibrant colors of textiles and crafts. Imagine, if you will, the camel caravans laden with treasures, traversing the sun-baked deserts, their bells echoing through the ages. These caravans were the lifelines of the Silk Road, carrying not just goods but also ideas and innovations. They braved harsh terrains and weather, forging connections between distant lands. Cities like Samarkand, Bukhara, and Khiva, now jewels of Uzbekistan, were once vibrant hubs on this network, their very stones whispering tales of merchants, emperors, and scholars from across the world. These cities were centers of learning and culture, where knowledge from different civilizations was gathered and preserved. This was a time when Uzbekistan, at the heart of it all, flourished, absorbing the richness of cultures that converged within its borders. The legacy of the Silk Road is still evident today in Uzbekistan's cultural heritage, architecture, and traditions. It is a testament to the enduring impact of this ancient trade route on the region and the world. And what stories these stones tell, especially in Samarkand, the jewel in Uzbekistan's crown. This ancient city, with its rich tapestry of history, has been a crossroads of cultures and civilizations for centuries. From the days of the Silk Road to the present, Samarkand has always been a place where the past and present coexist in a harmonious blend. Here, under a sky the color of lapis lazuli, lie architectural wonders that time itself seems to revere. The cityscape is dotted with majestic domes and minarets, each telling a story of its own. The air is thick with the whispers of ancient scholars and poets who once walked these streets. Picture this. The Registan Square, a magnificent ensemble of 3 madrasas, their facades adorned with intricate mosaics, a testament to the artistry of times gone by. These madrasas were not just centers of learning but also hubs of cultural exchange, where ideas from different parts of the world converged and flourished. Each glazed tile, each geometric pattern, whispers of a legacy passed down through generations, a legacy that continues to captivate the soul. The craftsmanship is so exquisite that it feels as if the very essence of the artisans has been immortalized in these designs. And as the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the square, one can almost hear the echoes of ancient astronomers, their gazes fixed upon the stars that still shine down on Samarkand. The night sky, a canvas of twinkling lights, serves as a reminder of the city's enduring connection to the cosmos, a bond that has been nurtured through centuries of observation and wonder. Our journey continues to Bukhara, a city that feels like a living museum, where every corner holds a piece of history waiting to be discovered, its labyrinthine alleyways whispering tales of a glorious past, inviting you to lose yourself in their winding paths. Imagine strolling through its ancient heart, where every step echoes with the footsteps of countless generations. The air is thick with the scent of spices, mingling with the melodies of traditional music played by local musicians, creating an atmosphere that is both vibrant and timeless. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly soak in the atmosphere of this historical treasure trove. The city's charm lies in its ability to make you feel as though you've stepped back in time. The Kalyan Minaret, a towering beacon of faith, has stood tall for centuries, its presence a testament to the enduring spirit of Bukhara. Witnessing the ebb and flow of life in this remarkable city, the minaret has seen empires rise and fall, and yet it remains a steadfast guardian of Bukhara's heritage. And in the shadows of ancient mosques and madrasas, where the walls seem to hum with the prayers of the past, Artisans keep alive the traditions of silk weaving and ceramics, their hands moving with the same precision and care as their ancestors. Their skills passed down through generations, these craftsmen and women are the living links to Bukhara's rich cultural tapestry, ensuring that the city's legacy continues to thrive. Now let's fast forward to the 21st century and descend into the heart of Tashkent, Uzbekistan's bustling capital. Here, beneath the city's vibrant streets, lies an unexpected treasure, the Tashkent Metro. But this is no ordinary subway system. Each station is a unique work of art, a testament to Uzbek culture and history. Imagine stepping off the train and finding yourself surrounded by intricate mosaics, sparkling chandeliers, and grand marble columns. It's like stepping into a subterranean palace. The Tashkent Metro is a testament to the Uzbek people's dedication to beauty, even in the most unexpected of places. No journey through Uzbekistan is complete without savoring the flavors of its rich culinary heritage. Imagine sitting down to a traditional Uzbek meal, the table laden with an array of colorful dishes. The star of the show is undoubtedly the plav, a fragrant rice dish cooked slowly over an open fire with tender lamb, carrots, and raisins. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, a testament to the culinary skills passed down through generations. And let's not forget the naan, the flatbread that accompanies every meal, its aroma filling the air with warmth and hospitality. Our journey takes us now to the Aral Sea, a stark reminder of the delicate balance between nature and human intervention. Once the world's fourth largest lake, the Aral Sea has shrunk dramatically over the past few decades, a tragic consequence of unsustainable water management. But amidst this environmental crisis, there are glimmers of hope. Local communities are working tirelessly to restore the ecosystem, planting drought-resistant trees and developing sustainable fishing practices. The story of the Aral Sea is a poignant reminder of the urgent need to protect our planet and the power of collective action. Chapter 7. We return to Samarkand, drawn back to the majesty of Registan Square. Here, under the watchful gaze of the stars, history comes alive. The three madrasas that grace the square, Ulugh Beg, Tilya Kori, and Sherdor, are not just architectural marvels, they are monuments to a golden age of learning and scholarship. Imagine the lively debates that once echoed through their courtyards, the murmur of students poring over ancient texts, the scratch of quills on parchment. Registan Square is a testament to the enduring power of knowledge, a beacon of enlightenment that continues to inspire awe and wonder. But Uzbekistan is more than just its monuments and landscapes, it's the warmth of its people that truly captivates the soul. Hospitality is deeply ingrained in Uzbek culture, a value passed down through generations. Imagine being welcomed into a local home, the air filled with the aroma of freshly brewed tea and the sounds of laughter. You'll be treated as an honored guest, offered a place at the table and a taste of traditional Uzbek hospitality. From the bustling bazaars to the serene countryside, you'll encounter smiles and kindness everywhere you go. As the sun sets on another day in Uzbekistan, the sounds of music and dance fill the air. Music is the lifeblood of Uzbek culture, a vibrant expression of joy, sorrow, and everything in between. Imagine the hypnotic melodies of traditional instruments like the rubab and the doira, their rhythms transporting you to another world. The dances, passed down through generations, tell stories of love, heroism, and the beauty of the natural world. From the lively Andijan polka to the graceful movements of the Khwarezm dance, each performance is a feast for the senses. Today, Uzbekistan stands at a crossroads, embracing progress while cherishing its rich heritage. The spirit of innovation is palpable, with modern cities rising alongside ancient monuments. And at the heart of this transformation are the women of Uzbekistan, strong and resilient, playing an increasingly vital role in all aspects of society. From education to business to politics, they are shaping the future of their nation, while preserving the traditions that make Uzbekistan so unique. Their stories are an inspiration, a testament to the enduring spirit of this remarkable land. As our journey through Uzbekistan draws to a close, we leave with hearts full of wonder and a deep appreciation for this extraordinary country. From the echoes of the Silk Road to the vibrant tapestry of its modern culture, Uzbekistan has left an indelible mark on our souls. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating country and its beautiful culture, a land where history whispers from ancient walls and the warmth of the people embraces you like an old friend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel documentaries.